guys, how you doing? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl here, Stella, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the Rivers native soup. I'm going to include this in a vlog. I figured it's going to be more interesting. I'm in the kitchen now. We're still prepping the stuff to cook the soup with, but at the same time, let me just tell you guys that this vlog is going to include how to cook Rivers native soup. So in case you have been asking me for that video, here you have it. So one of you specifically asked that requested I make a video on how to cook the Rivers State native soup, hence this video. So I'm going to make that here. If there's any other video you want me to make, any other kind of video you would want to see on my channel, just let me know. I'm here for you. I'm going to make it. And I haven't forgotten, I have to also make what I eat in a day to lose weight. I'm going to also add that in another vlog, a video strictly on cooking. I figured it would be more interesting if I include it into a vlog style. So first of all, we're in the kitchen now. Let me just show you ingredients we're going to use to make this soup. It's really easy and very fast. Basically, that's what we're going to do in this video. And if you're seeing me for the first time, you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, share with your friends and all the good stuff. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it here. Yeah, let's just get started. So guys, in here we have our fresh pepper blended with the onion, and I just added it to the tilapia fish. You can use any fresh fish of your choice, but remember it has to be fresh because that's what makes it the River State seafood soup or native soup. So here we have the palm oil and the blended onions and peppers and also the fish. I also added some stock cubes, as you can see, and some salt. So I'm going to put this is going to boil, and once it boils I'll take out the fish and the stock. I'll add a little water and that will make our soup. So here we have our seafood. I just mixed them up. You can actually separate them. So here we have fresh prawn. I like the smaller size for this soup. So once you take your gari, you can take one, orish. Here we have our periwinkle. You can't have seafood or native soup without periwinkle. Here we have our oyster. So and here we have our ngolo. I just mixed everything together, but you can actually separate them. This is going to go into the soup after it's done boiling. When it comes to seafood, you don't turn it, you just shake it. When you want to turn it, you shake it, because if you turn it, you may end up spoiling scattering the fish. So if you're tempted to turn it, you can just shake it. Guys, this is the leaf we're using. It's called oziza. You can use bitter leaf or any other leaf, but this is a staple leaf for the soup. And it's dried like this because I got it yesterday. It's no longer fresh, but you can still work the magic. This leaf is really good. It smells really good. It gives the soup a very nice flavor. So I'm just going to wash this and cut it and put it in the soup once the soup is ready. So this part is optional. You can try to use some meat if you wish. So I'll be using tozo for this soup. I like tozo, hunchback for this type of soup because of the oil and everything. So this is what I'll be using for this soup. So guys, at this point I like to add some oporo or crayfish because it gives it a very nice taste. added the cocoyam and it's boiling, so I'm just going to add this fish. I'm going to add the tilapia fish. The meat also is here, the meat stock, everything is in this water boiling. I added some stock cube, just a little bit, but test it. If the one you use for your fish is okay, don't need to add here. Then I add sauce. So this is the time to go in with this. So here now I'm going in with this. You can make it as thick as you want it or as light as you want it, but my husband doesn't like thick soup, so I'm making mine to be very light. But you have to be careful because the cocoyam gets thicker as the soup gets older, so if this soup cools down, it's going to get thicker. Someone was asking me what I eat to lose weight. You can see oatmeal, and this is soup. So this soup, I'm not the only one eating this soup, so don't get scared. But this oatmeal, I might not finish it, but I'll just start because I'm hungry. It's early, so I'm hungry. And it's morning. I try to eat my swallow in the morning. Sometimes I eat at night too. But yeah, so this is the soup, and this soup, my husband and I, we're going to eat it. So don't think I'm eating it alone, okay? So guys, we've come to the end of that video. If you enjoy Rivers native soup or seafood soup, if you do enjoy the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share. If you enjoy Rivers native soup or seafood soup, just let me know. Here in Rivers State, what we do is you can actually just eat this soup as a meal. You can just eat it without the swallow. You just, you know, there's a lot of rishi inside. There is prawn, periwinkle, shrimps. You can even add other ofingo. There's something they call ofingo that I did not add. There are other seafood, like you can add as many seafood as you want. There's never too much seafood in this soup. It's really rich, it's delicious. It's something you should try. If you try it, let me know. Please let me know down in the comment section. Also let me know on Instagram. You can even send me a picture on Instagram and just show me yours, or even a video. I really appreciate that. So that is it for this video. That soup was delicious, I swear. After that soup, I went to sleep. It's called blood tonic. So that is it. Let me go before I finish you guys in my talk. Anyways, that's it for this video. See you guys in my next one. I love you. Share my video, please. Share my video. Thank you. Bye.